Hello, welcome back to the channel. Now, when you're from the pits, from the Rust Belt areas that don't have great thrift stores or don't have great items just in general, you kind of have to be creative in ways to find different items of high value. So, what I was looking at here is Y2K items. Mostly what I was looking at is styles, right? Because I think it's less about brands when you're looking at Y2K, old school, vintage, early 2000s items, and it's mostly about style. Now, as I'm looking, I'm seeing a few things that stand out so far, and this is what we're gonna look at real quick. So let me look at a few items real quick. This item came across my attention, Rampage. Now, Rampage is not exactly a high value brand, I don't think, if you guys can see the logo right here. Let me make the screen a little bit bigger. There we go. Rampage. Where's the tag? There's the tag right there. I don't think Rampage is a very high value item. I may be wrong. But this item, as you can see, sold for, I got an offer for 54. Probably sold for around 30, maybe. I know there's a app, an extension that lets me see the exact price. Using the same SKU system that we use. Yeah, this Rampage style. So it's a bohemian boho style. Peasant, baby tall. I mean, nice keywords. Top, which I thought was pretty interesting. And also this one. Now this bisou, I think it's French skirt. This is definitely something to look out for. I found skirts like this at my local thrift store, the church thrift stores, St. Vincent, St. Francis. This type of skirt I've definitely seen before, but it's mostly the style, the denim flare with that look is the reason I think this skirt went for what it went for. Also, we're gonna take a look at this. Now, this is something I had when I went to school. In high school, I definitely had this jabobs with this strap right at the thigh. That's super popular. The ones with the strap that you can see right there, those are the ones to look out for. Those are the ones that was really popular. This strap right here, that was the look back in high school. This sold for $80. If you don't know what the logo looks like, here goes Jabobs right there, denim. Pretty nice. Pretty much like there's other, I think I have more denim outfits, but we're gonna look at this velour. I've sold velour before from the yard sale. Even the jacket alone will sell for like 50. Now this is South Pole. South Pole is not a good brand. Especially the new stuff is not good. Even their older stuff is not that great. What you're looking for right here is the velour tracksuit. It's the velour. It's the fact that it is velour that made it sold for 150. Very nice. Very nice. 150. I think we have two versions of it right here. Oh, this is the, yeah, it's still the it's still South Pole, but this has the more embroideries on it. I used to have a whole bunch of these back in the day. I should have kept them, but there you go. Here's the logo. It looks newer, but I guess it's vintage. 400. Took an offer on 400, maybe 300, maybe 200. This sold for. But there you go. Now we have Echo. Now this is the classic baggy jeans look. These jeans come down to your kneecaps, to your calf. Not exactly your kneecap, but your calf. But these are like really big, baggy jeans that a certain population, 30s and 40s, 30-year-old men and 40-year-old men, still prefer this look over the skinny jeans or over the more fitted jeans. And there you go. So this type of jean, you could find it in like Fat Farm, Avrex. I think Avrex makes these kind of jeans. Mecca is another one that made jeans like this. There you go. This is one. $59, $60 this one sold for. Next we have, I had to look this brand up, Lip Service. $200 for this gothic item right here. I'm gonna look it up real quick. I'm interested to see if there's more Lip Service items. Yeah, I'm just gonna type in Lip Service, see what comes up. Never heard of the brand. Oh, I guess it's pretty much gothic. I'll say gothic. Maybe I'm saying it wrong. Yeah, because I know Trips USA also has this kind of old gothic look, but I've never heard of Lip Service. So there's another brand that you guys now know that most of their items sell for above 50. Look at it right here. There you go. Add this to the memory bank. Lip Service. Wow, these are nice, especially this one. See that, and always add this keyword whenever you've had something vintage. Just add this Y2K keyword. A lot of people look for it. Let's look it up real quick. We're just gonna type in Y2K. We're freestyling here. Y2K, and see how many items come up with the keyword Y2K. 82,000. That's sold. 82,000 sold with the keyword Y2K. And how much is listed? 300,000. Pre-owned is 260, and the sold for Y2K keyword items. Wow, 77. I thought it would have been higher. I thought it would have been higher. 30%. 30%. Thought it would have been a little higher. Sell-through rate. We have these chunky sketches we're gonna look at, but let's go back. So where we at right now? This is where South Pole, Echo, Lip Service, Vans. I just thought these shoes look cool. There it goes. Vans. Nothing special. I've just never seen Vans like this before. Alright, not much to say. Just, vintage Vans. Trips. Now, this is the other gothic style item that I know of. They add Raver. That's a good keyword. Raver. Yeah, so this is the Trips NYC. Sold for $140. If you guys don't know what the logo looks like, there you go. Be on the lookout. Add that to the list. Next, we have Fat Farm. That's part of the baggy urban hip hop brand. Fubu's another one. Certain items, not all items, just some. This is the overall. A lot of overall does well. Overall is a nice item to look out for. There we go. Nice photo setup. Look at this little photo setup. A little critique on the photo. It would have been good if it's an overall. I was gonna say if it was a little closer. I know she's trying to get the little flower vase in, but it's an overall. She's trying to get the whole thing top to bottom, and that's why it's kind of further back. But overall, good photo setup. I'm interested in looking. I'm gonna look real quick. That's the ADHD real quick. I'm about to go look to see how she does her photos. It's nice. I'm not gonna lie. What do you guys think about these photos? A little too busy, not professional. They could use a little bit more light. Like this right here. I wonder if she's selling the shorts. I think it is. Outfit. Wow, she's selling a whole outfit. Hollister with the denim shorts. That's risky. But I'll tell you, it's nice. People in Poshmark would appreciate it more than people on eBay. So let's go back on track. But her photos are nice. Very, very nice. All right. Chunky shoes. Skechers, thick bottoms. I've sold these. Fashion Bug is another one, to be honest. Does these thick bottom shoes. Those are popular. There it goes right there. Y2K sold for $70. So don't sleep on Skechers. Well, the vintage Y2K style. Be on the lookout. Oh, that's a little interesting feature. Took a photo of the heel to see how thick it is. Then we have another one of these platform 200 for Fry Y2K Villager brown leather. Nice. This is nice. I would have picked this up anyway because it's Fry boots, but even if they're not this brand, just the style alone, probably would have sold it for 80, 70, 80. That's what I would look at. That's what I'm learning right here. So it's less about the brand, it's more about the style is what I'm paying attention to. As you can see, here's another one. Well, it's still Fry. It's still Fry. I thought it was a different brand. Nah, these are all high value. Sometimes I do that to see different items down here that's related, but these are all the same brand. And that's how I get my learn on. This is not Fry. You see? This is what I'm talking about. This is not Fry. This doesn't even have a name. It just says Y2K boots. Chunky. It just has the style. But there's no name that stands out. It'll sell though. There you go. Guess Velour. I just added it in as another one that's doing the same thing. Guess Velour sold for $120. So if you could get, like I say, if you don't have the top and the bottom, it'll still sell for at least like 50. So there you go. Next we have this brand, BB. I've skipped on this brand a few times. This I didn't know. I know about the brand back then when I was in school. It was a popular brand, but I know I passed up on it a few times in the store. Oh, it's the same person with the SKU system. Okay. There you go. And this already sold. So this sold for $65. $65. There you go. Even a simple top like that. Now we know about this. I've had this this type of pants in other videos before. I think I've had it in my cargo video. Y2K Paratrooper Abercrombie and Fitch. There it goes. This, truthfully, this could have gone more and probably should have gone more than 50. Tell you the truth, but it's probably, yeah, definitely could have gone more. Let me see it, check. Yeah, see, they usually go for around 100. Underpriced it a little bit, but there you have it. All good information, all good information. And that's how I learns. So yeah, we're back in the Y2K. This is what? Yep, just regular Y2K. So there you go. A little tidbit. Not a fully in-depth video, but just, you know, showing a few Y2K styles that you guys, hold on. There you go. A little tidbit. Just a few Y2K styles that you guys should be on the lookout for. And add these to the memory bank. I'll be doing these type of videos a little bit more often because it's just me freestyling as I learn. I actually research like that for myself every now and then, and I'll kind of show you the thought process of what goes through my head. Look at these. Well, you can't see them. It's mud jeans, mud for $30. You guys know mud. Anyways, catch you guys next time. I'm out.